guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. Today we're going to be doing my Mail Haul Monday series where I will be unboxing packages from the previous week. I'm really excited. I actually have the Urban Decay Game of Thrones collection, so we're going to go through and swatch that. And as always, thank you to every brand who was kind enough to send me products. But I'm excited to dive into this really quick before we get started. If you're new, hello, welcome. Make sure before you leave, you do not forget to subscribe down below so you're notified for future videos. I do post 3 times a week, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and click the bell notification. Okay, that's all I have to say. Let's dive in. I do feel a little bit naked today because I don't have a necklace on. I was kind of in a hurry getting ready for the video, but Urban Decay did send over their Game of Thrones collection here, and it looks very interesting. You have an eyeshadow palette, which is gorgeous, and then I believe there's some like highlight palettes, some eye pencils and things, so we're going to go through and swatch everything. If you guys do end up wanting like a full review, wear test, try on, tutorial, let me know down below. All right, so when you open it up, the first thing I see is the Game of Thrones Urban Decay, and I believe this is the eyeshadow palette. I love just how detailed this box is, and you slide it open, and here is the actual palette for the eyeshadows right there. And I did see this online. It looked really pretty and creamy as far as swatches go. The first thing that draws my eye is the Bay of Dragons. So we are going to give this, ooh, a swatch. That is beautiful. Then Winterfell. These shades are literally so creamy. Oh my goodness. Okay, so there are those two. And then the Sight, which is this really beautiful green shade, looks like that. And then Red Keep, which is a really gorgeous orangey shade. Really pretty. They swatch really well. I would be interested to see how these are like on the eyes and everything, but so far just swatching them, they feel really good. Okay, I'm going to swatch a couple more. The next one is Stormborn, and this looks really pretty. It's a purple. Oh my gosh. Okay, I have got to try these on the eyes. Frozen North is another gorgeous shade. And then House, no, I don't want to butcher these names. Bend the Knee, which is like a lavender. Really pretty. And last but not least, I want to see how the black performs. So it's called Take the Black right here. And it does have some like shimmers in it. So buttery. I mean, look how pigmented those are. Gorgeous. Are you guys excited about this collection? Do you watch Game of Thrones? I'm going to be really honest. I need to try to get back into it. I tried to watch it for a while. Like, I only watched the first episode, but I don't know. I would need to try it again because so many people are so obsessed with it that I'm like, okay, I need to get into it. I'm going to scoot a little bit closer to the camera. Okay, the next two things that we have are the brushes. And so this one is called the Stark's Needle, and then the other one is called Jon Snow's Long Claw. Arya's Long Needle, sorry. Okay, look how cool these are. It kind of reminds me, remember that one time that brand did the like Harry Potter collection brushes? These are so neat. And this is what I was most excited about too. I saw this palette swatched and it looked gorgeous. It's called Mother of Dragons Highlight Palette. Ooh, the packaging's really neat. How do I open it up? Here it is. So here are these 3 highlight shades. You have like a pink, a gold, and then a bronze. So here are these 3. Gorgeous. And then I'm going to show you me swatching them. Bam. Urban Decay is coming through with the pigment. Yes, ma'am. And then lastly, we have some eyeliner. So 4 different colors. You have a blue, a red, a white, and a gold. And let me see if the packaging's any different on these. No, they look like normal Urban Decay eyeliners, except they do have like glitter in them. Let's swatch this one. This is the gold one. It is called Lancaster Gold. Urban Decay eyeliners are super creamy, so pretty. And then of course, like I said, you have a white, a red, and a blue. Then next we have the Urban Decay Game of Thrones Lip and Cheek Stain. And this is the only one in this collection. So it looks like this, and it's like a red color. Give you all a close up so you can see it. And then let's just see what it looks like. This is what it looks like. It almost looks like blood or something. Okay, so I'm just gonna put a little bit right there. We'll kind of rub it out. I mean, it does have like a little bit of a red tint once you rub it out, but it's very faint, so it's nothing that's like overpowering. And then lastly, you have the lipsticks. Now, since I haven't watched Game of Thrones, I do not want to butcher the name. So this is like the pinky shade. Sansa Stark, I believe is how you pronounce it. There we go. So it's like a peachy shade. The next one's a gorgeous red shade. I feel like that was a little bit blurry. So here it is. And the packaging on this is really pretty as well. If I can get it open. Here's the next shade, which is more goldy brown. And then the next one, which is another dark brown red shade. So a big thank you to Urban Decay for sending that over. And if you guys want me to do a demo review, let me know in the comments. Okay, next we have a package from MAC. Ooh, so they sent over a ton of items. Oh my goodness. And let's see what it says here. This is called the Get Blaze collection, and it is available April 11th, which means it's already out now. It looks like there's a bunch of different things in this collection. So the first thing I see are these Dazzle highlighters. So let's open them up. The first one is Dazzle Pink. Like, you can even see how gorgeous it is just in the reflection. So beautiful. And then let's look at the gold one. The gold one is called Dazzle Gold. And typically I tend to go for more gold shades. So let's swatch this one. Oh, it is very gold. Such a beautiful highlight. I feel like this was going to look good with my skin tone when I'm a little bit more tan. So there's that. That was kind of like blended in. Oh no. So they also sent over these Dazzle highlights, and this is called Put You on Gold. Not highlights, Dazzle eyeshadows. Oh, it's called the Shiny Pretty Shadow, but this one actually broke in transit. So let me see if I can press this down and maybe make it where it will work in the future. See, all better. Okay, so it's all over my finger. Let's look at this. Ooh. Now that is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Okay, this makes me want to swatch the rest of them. The next one's called P for Pink. I know this one's probably going to be my shade because I love pink shades. It's so glittery. I cannot imagine using this and then using like a glitter liquid shadow over it. Oh my gosh, I don't think I could handle it. Okay, the next one is called Glitz Please. Oh, it is another pinky shade right there. So beautiful. I mean, you can just see like, even like in the movement, it's like a thick pigment. Like, it's very just distinct and it looks like it's not going anywhere. Oh my gosh, I accidentally just rubbed the gold over the pink, but that even looks good too. And then the last one is called Joy 2. And this one looks like it's a silver. Do this one on my pinky. Another gorgeous color. Oh my goodness, MAC is just killing it. So super pretty. Right there. I will leave a link down below. I will leave a link down below for these if you guys want to check them out. But I would definitely say to look in this collection if you like sparkle. All right, the next thing we have are these Dazzle Drops. I should have did a video on these, but ooh, very beautiful. So here's what they look like, and they're just like a highlighted. So this is a Dazzle Pink, again to match with the highlights, and then we have Dazzle Peach. I love me some peach shades, so let's swatch this one. Oh, it is beautiful. I don't even know if you guys will be able to tell. I think that my thing that is supposed to pull the liquid up is like broke. Okay, I got this much out of it, which is a lot. Ooh, here's what this looks like when you kind of like blend it into the skin. So pretty, and it just has like a very small shift of like your shimmer. It would be really pretty like underneath your foundation, or even mixed in, or even as like a light highlight. Beautiful. And then we have a bunch of lipsticks. So these I'm assuming are probably like metallic. It says a liquid top coat. Love in a Bubble. Oh my gosh, y'all, this packaging, this is sickening. Look at how pretty that is. Oh my gosh, I wish all MAC packaging looked like this. It's so beautiful. So a big thank you to MAC Cosmetics for sending that over. Next we have my Boxycharm box. I am going to try to next month start getting back into my Boxycharm unboxing videos. So let's see what we have here. So the first thing that we have is this Luxie brush set, and it says Summer Day. So you have 3 different eye brushes in here. Well, one actually could be more of a face brush. And then we have the Butter London Power Up Mascara. We have the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder in Summer Haze. This is going to be so gorgeous. It's like a pinky shade, it looks like. Mac Daddy's highlights are always amazing. Then we have the Star Looks eyeliner pencil. And lastly, we have a Pure Cosmetics Festival palette. Ooh, pretty. And I'm actually not going to open this up. The shades look really pretty. And honestly, I think I might keep this for you guys. I am working on a 4-person giveaway for my 4-year anniversary here on YouTube. That will be up probably around May 3rd because that is my anniversary date, I believe. So I'm going to keep some of these things for you guys. That's why I did not swatch them. But Boxycharm is always a good deal because it does give you full-size products. So thank you to Boxycharm for that package. Next thing we have is another monthly subscription, and this is the Allure Beauty Box. And I love this year that they are putting them in this really like fun little pouch. I've been saving these because I think they'll be really great to like take with me on trips to kind of like divide things up. Okay, so let's see what we have in here. The first thing we have is from Laura Geller. This is the New York Incredible Waterproof Gel Eyeliner Pencil, and it's in a purple shade. Really pretty. Then we have a brush from, I believe this is from Moda Cosmetics, and it's like a really pretty gold eye brush. They have really high quality brushes. We have the Briogeo Farewell Frizz Leave-In Conditioning Spray. I love that this is in a travel size, so I might actually take this with me on vacation. Let's see here. We have the Pure Hollywood by Anastasia. And I don't think I know this shade. I think it's like a baby pink maybe. Yeah. Oh, it's like a nude. Really pretty. And this is freaking full size. I know this alone is probably like $20 along with all the other amazing products that you get in this. And then you are kidding me. We have a Natasha Denona eyeshadow. Y'all, I don't know if you can get this box like still, but this is like 20 some dollars, I'm pretty sure. This is the Bronze Age eyeshadow. Oh gosh, nothing compares to Natasha Denona, I swear. I love her eyeshadows. They are literally so beautiful. And just like the formula and the pigmentation. I cannot believe that was in that box. Oh my gosh. That is so awesome. I mean, their boxes, I feel like they just keep getting better and better. And then lastly, we have this organic tan infused cloth for tanning. So thank you to Allure for that package. Then we have a package from L'Oreal Paris. It says, hi, so excited to share with you the latest from Colorista. With festival season around the corner, hoping we can inspire you to play and get ready with our new hair and makeup. One day hair makeup. Have you guys ever tried anything like this? I am deathly scared to try these kind of things because I'm scared it won't come out of my hair. This is like a silver spray, but these other ones, they have like blue and red and raspberry. And then the other colors they sent over are some blues and purple. So thank you so much to L'Oreal for that package. I'll have to see if I can get the guts to do this to my hair. I'm just so scared. So y'all let me know down below if you've ever tried anything like this. Okay, very last package came from the Beauty Essentials. Ooh, look at this package, you guys. Okay, so it says festival must-haves. And I need to save these because me and Snow actually booked tickets to go to EDC Orlando in November. I'm very excited about it. Okay, so the first thing we have is this really cute little bag, and it has Ardell lashes in it. Ooh, and I really like these lashes, actually. These are just their wispies, but they're actually a lot longer than the ones that I personally have, so I will have to give these a try. And they also gave me a little duo glue in there, which works perfect with the lashes. Okay, so then we have this Nomad palette, and it says Intense Eyeshadow Palette. Ooh, look at these colors. So fun, so festive. I'm going to sit some of these behind me because I didn't clean up before I started filming and I have stuff all everywhere in front of me. The next thing we have is from Patchology. This is the Happy Place Mood Patch. Inspiring tea infused aromatherapy eye gels. Ooh, and they have like really pretty like fun sparkles on them. We have another one. These are the Energizing eye gels. Again, I think this is the same one. It's just two different colors. Oh, a third one. No, just kidding. This one says Downtime Calming Tea Infused Aromatherapy. So we have calming, inspiring, and energizing. So 3 different ones from Patchology. We have this Unicorn Fluffy Scrub. Okay, so this is like an exfoliator, but it's really fun and like reminds me of cotton candy. Okay, and then we have the Sienna Brilliant Bronze. Ooh, beautiful. So pretty. We have these Bombshell volume, grip, and hold sprays, which is so essential when you go to a festival because normally it's really hot and your hair can get kind of crazy. We have the Pacific Cosmetic Balm Face and Body Glitter Gel. Ooh. Then we have the Vitamin C Radiance Facial Peel by Derma E. We have the Glow Boost Essence from Lumen, Finland, I believe is how you say that. And then lastly, we have this Measurable Difference Primer Illuminating Base. Thank you so much to Melody Joy for the Beauty Essentials package. And you guys, that is going to complete this week's Mail Haul Monday. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And I love you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Why do I keep doing spirit fingers in all of my videos? Okay. Bye.